Welcome, everyone. Today, I'll guide you through the process of adding professional voiceovers to your project in CapCut PC. It's a simple yet powerful tool, so let's get started. Firstly, let's separate the existing audio from our clip. By doing this, we ensure that our voiceover will be the primary audio in the project. Once we've done that, our clip is now silent, ready for the new voiceover. Now, let's click on the microphone icon to open the voiceover menu. Here, you'll find a record button and a drop-down menu at the top. In the drop-down menu, select your microphone for recording voiceovers. You can also adjust the volume range of your voiceovers, helping to control echo. If you want to eliminate any background noise during recording, you can use the Mute All option. Now place the slider at the starting point and hit the record button. As you speak, you'll see your voiceover being recorded. To add more voiceovers, simply move the slider to the desired point and record again. Once you've finished recording, close this menu. Now, let's head to the editing section. Here, you can fine-tune your voiceovers, adjust the volume, add fade-in or fade-out effects, and even reduce noise by checking this option. CapCut PC provides a range of features to enhance the quality of your voiceovers. Explore the different options available, and you can also change the speed of your voiceovers in this section. And that's it. You've successfully added studio-like voiceovers to your project in CapCut PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. For any questions or further assistance, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy editing.